Alright, welcome to this tutorial. Here I will teach you how to use Orion to design your structure, especially as a civil engineer. So the first thing is to locate your application on your laptop. So I have it here, Orion 18. Just double click it. So and allow it to load. So as it is loading, you can see it. Alright. Okay, it's loaded. So you will wait for it until it is well loaded. So you will cut it here and allow it to load as well. So it will bring another information. So hey, so this is the work I was doing before, but I want to use a new project to teach you from the beginning. So the first thing is click new project. So and use the name to represent your work. For example, JOWECC 2020. Okay, and click this OK. Alright, the next thing to click is UKBS 8110. So click it, then import. Alright, then click OK. Allow it to load. Now this is the previous of this Orion. So you have to do the settings. So you will come to the member here, come here, run rather, and come to the building analysis. So now you will now edit this material. Come here and click edit materials. So you will come here, want to change to, that is 25 to 30. So and apply it to all members, all type, then click OK here. So it has generated for the rest here. Now this one grade 500, I want to change it to grade 410. Just click it once and allocate your grade 410 type 2, then apply it to all members, then click OK. That one is done as well. So you have to change the diameter of each column, wall, beam. Let me do the column first. So I would like to use Y16 for my column, so I don't want to use Y10, so I deactivate it. Y13, we don't have it in Nigeria, I deactivate it. So Y20 and Y16, so I don't use Y25. I just want to use that too for my design. So let me leave it like that, and you will come here and I click OK. That one is done, and you will come to the slab, okay, to the beam. I want to use Y16 for the beam, I don't want to use Y10. You will deactivate this one and deactivate it. So I use Y16, Y20, Y25. It's okay like that. Or yes, I can use Y32 as well, then click OK. So for the slab, so I will only use Y12 and Y10. So deactivate this one, Y10, then activate this Y12. Deactivate this one, deactivate the rest. So that's how it is done. So deactivate this one as well. I want to use just only Y10 and Y12. So then click OK. Alright, so for the foundation, so I will use Y16 for my foundation. So I will deactivate this one. So come here, so deactivate Y13, Y25. So let me use Y16 and the Y20 only. So for my for my steel, so I have done that one finished. Then the next thing is OK. So after you've done that, then close it here. So before you can start drawing your work, modeling your work, so you have to have the product of the work that you want to do. So I have my plan with me here, so in which I will start. So what I need is this. You will come and click this axis. So this axis, once you click it like this, yes, you will click it in the first area here, click it, drag it down and hold your shift key, your control key. So once you hold it, then release it. Okay, the next thing to do is to offset it. So So you will right click on top of it and I'll come here and click your offset axis. So it has shown here now which what is the distance of your offset. Then enter it here. So I have it, that is 38, so 3852, 3825 rather, 25. So just come here and click. So it has generated. So the next thing, so the next thing is different. So I will change it to 4800, 4800. Then click it here. So it has generated as well. So this one is y-axis. Now for the x-axis, now you will close it here. Then come to the axis again. So I want to do it for the horizontal. So click the control key. So then release your hand. So the next thing is to offset. Your offset now, what is your offset distance? My offset here is 3825. 25. Then click it here. So it has generated. So the next thing is 4550. 4550. Okay, 450. So just click here. So it has generated. The next thing is 3825. 3825. So just click here. So that one has done. So I have created my slab. Now, so I have my veranda here, in which I want to create for this one, which is a 1725. Come here and change it for the 1725. 1725. Then click here. This is where I want it to come. So it has generated like that. So I have created my center to center in a y-axis and a x-axis. Now the next thing is to put on your columns. So the columns, now you will come here. This is your column. You will click it. So as you click it, you will give the dimension of your column. I have 225 by 300. This one is eccentric, that is how you want it to appear here. So for example, for this one now, say 112.5. 0.5. This one as well, 112.5, 112.5, 0.5. Alright, just click the center here. It has generated. You will see how it is done. So but I want my column to face here, because this drawing it is easy to be affected by the wind load here. So I want my column to face here. So I will just change it here to 300. So this one to 225. Then come and click update here. So it has updated. Just click here to see how it is. Now it has been how I want it to be. So this one as well, click it. So I want to use the same thing. So click it. This one as well, click it. So this one as well, I have it here, click it. So this one be different. So as this one is facing here, so the 112.5 of this one will be here. So let me click here now. So I will now edit this one. So I will come here and I change this one to, so this is 300. So I will change this one to 187.5. 187.5. Then you will come and click update here. So you see how it is. Just click in neutral here. So it has done. Then so I have my column here as well. So I want to replicate this one. Just click here. So it has replicated. this one as well, click it here. So this one as well, click it here. So this one as well, how do I want this one to be? So this slab, so I want it to face here. I want it to face here. Now what will I do is that I will change this one to 300. Okay, let me see how it will be here. So it face here. So I want my 300 to face here. So my 300 will be here. I will edit it to be 300 here, 300, then 225 here, 225. So update and see how it will be. So that is it. So now I will now change this one to 112.5. This one to 187, 87.5. For this one, I will change it to 112.5, 112.5. Then come and click update here. So it's okay. Just click in neutral here and see how it will be. On this one as well, I will edit this one as well. So I will edit that one later. So this one, and I have it here, and I have it here as well. Okay. All right. So I don't have it here. I want to remove my column here. So just right click and delete this one. No. So this one exists. Escape to remove it. So then right click on top of it and then delete that one. So I don't want to put the column there. So I have finished my column now. So this one I want it to face here. I want my 187.5 to face here. So what will I do? So just click it like that, and right click and click a property. So the property will be shown here. So this one I will just let this one be 112.5, and I click update here. So it has done. Right, I want my this column to face here, and this one as well to face here. So what will I do is I will just edit this one, just escape from that one. So highlight that one and right click on top of it and click properties. So it will show here. So I want it to face here. So I want my 300 to be here, 300. So I want my 225 here, 225. So let me see how it will be. So then this one will be 112.5, 112.5. Update it and see how it will be. So this one is will be 187.5, 187.5. So just click update. Yes, it has done now. Click neutral here. So this one I will delete this one. So escape. So I want to delete this one. So just to copy this one here. So let me just delete that one. So I've deleted it. Now I want to copy this one. Just highlight it and I click property. So I want to copy that property. Then I have copied that. So I can now use it here. So I have done it to this one as well. So the next thing to put on is my beam. So I have done with my columns. The next thing is my beam. So